Hi, I'm Jack, and I'm excited to show you our stainless steel screw kits. Perfect for your RC. These kits have everything you need and more. Made with the finest stainless steel, our screw kits provide unmatched quality. Forget bent or rusted screws, embrace excellence. Here's what you'll get: all socket screws, button screws, flathead screws, set screws, nuts, washers, plus extras, all in a reusable plastic pick case. We also include Bonhesh short-arm hex wrenches in all sizes, helping you to perform a full conversion with ease. We don't use coarse thread screws. Our precision machine screws offer 3 times the hold and are widely used by 99% of RC manufacturers. Note, our kits don't include machine-collared screws, screw pins, or barrel screws. These must be purchased separately. For a successful project, consult the product FAQ section and general screw installation and notes on the product listing. We're here to assist. You won't find a better screw kit for your RC at any price. RCScrewZ and JM Supplies is committed to providing superior solutions for all RC enthusiasts. Are you ready for a seamless RC experience? Click the link to order your RCScrewZ stainless steel screw kit today.